Alright guys, we're doing this tile and grout clean. As you guys can see, about 250 square feet of tile. Has some age to it, but we're gonna get all that dirty grime and soil off that tile, get it cleaned, back to the original state like it was new. You can usually tell on the outside guide where it's less walked on. Yeah guys, we're gonna get it cleaned, back to the original state and texture. It's gonna be a good one. Stay tuned. And as always, don't forget to follow, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for some results. All right, guys, I'm pre-agitating the tile now with our stone and tile cleaner. As you guys see, I'm letting that dwell, spraying it on. We're gonna emulsify that, and then once we give it some dwell time, we're gonna start extracting it with our SX12 machine. And that's gonna shoot about 1,000 pounds of pressure at 220 degrees. And it's gonna melt off like butter, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're letting that dwell for a little bit. We'll just put the pre-treatment away for the tile and grout and stone cleaner. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of things, tips for tile. And yes, we can restore and maintain and clean all tile. Tile, slate, ceramic, stone, marble, you name it. We can do it. You walk on it, we work on it. But guys, let me show you something. So this is dwelling right now. As you guys can see, what the tile should look like. See the edge right there? Those baseboards? That's what it should look like. So we're gonna let that dwell a little bit so it can actually suspend that soil. Then we'll come in with our tile spinner and extract it. Yeah, she's excited to get this done, guys. So we do, guys. We love restoring floors. Again, it's cheaper than replacement. And once we get it up to par, all you got to do is maintain it with a neutral cleaner. What's a neutral cleaner? It's a neutral pH cleaner that is safe and effective and efficient with surfactants and neutral properties, so it doesn't attract residue. And good news, guys, we now sell that in-house. We have our own line of neutral cleaner that we can sell you. Good for your tile, hardwood, laminate, and what have you. So if you need a bottle, reach out, we got you covered. All right, guys, stay tuned. Let's go, Ayo. All right, guys, you can already see the difference, guys, between that and that. I have not done this. I've already done that, look at that. Wow. That's the benefits of a tile and grout clean. We're also gonna seal it as well. We charge $1.50 a square foot, 50 cents to seal, so a total of $2 a square foot for new tile, guys. Cheaper than replacement, and all you gotta do is maintain it, and this is good to go. I'd recommend getting this done every couple years. You're extending the life of your tile. At about 1,000 pounds of pressure, 220 degrees. With the right chemistry, guys, this comes off like butter. No longer have to scrub it on your hands and knees with a toothbrush. Wow, guys, look at that. Beautiful. She's gonna love it. I'm gonna keep this very short, sweet, and brief. If you guys want your tile to look like this again, instead of this, look at that difference, guys. Give AO a call. Night and day, guys. We restore all tile and grout, ceramic, slate, porcelain. Look at this, guys. Do a close-up so y'all can see. You can appreciate it. We can safely and effectively remove buildup for 20 plus years, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look. Give us a call. We got you covered. All right, guys, this grout turned out absolutely amazing. It's drying in some spots, but let's look at this difference, guys. Look at that. Wow. That's what a good clean by AO Cleaning can do. Now, there is some missing grout in different areas, but in terms of cleaning, this is absolutely beautiful. Check it out. Bathroom's drying. Wow. I sometimes still get amazed how good it turns out. All right, guys, that's gonna do it.